Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you a tutorial on how to crack WEP encrypted routers in Kali Linux. There are multiple ways of doing it, but depending on if there are clients on the network or not, you're going to use a different method. Today I'll just be showing you the standard way of doing it. The first thing that we're going to do is take a look at our wireless cards. We can do that by running the ifconfig command. As you can see here, I have two wireless cards, WLAN 0 and WLAN 1. Another way to look at your wireless cards is by typing in the command airmon-ng. Now we want to place our desired wireless card into monitor mode. We do so with the following command, airmon-ng start WLAN 1. As you can see, we have a couple of processes running on the card. We want to be able to eliminate these to avoid any conflicts. We can do that by running airmon-ng check kill. Now if you type in airmon-ng again, we can see that our wireless card is on monitor mode. The next thing we will do is see what wireless networks are around the area. We will do so by running the command airodump-ng WLAN 1 mon. We can let the command run for a while, and you'll notice that a bunch of networks will start to pop up. On the bottom half of the table, you'll notice a section called station. What these are the MAC addresses of wireless devices connected to networks, and it will show you the network that it is connected to under the BSS ID column. Other things that are important is the encryption or cipher type, which you'll see under the ENC or cipher columns. It will either be WEP or WPA. And then it will tell you the authentication type. If it's PSK, it's pre-shared key. Our current target is lab Wi-Fi. The next thing that we will be doing is creating a capture file for our target network. We will do so by running the command airodump-ng -c 2, which is the channel number of our targeted network. You will find this under the CH column, --BSS ID, and we're going to copy the BSS ID, -W, and then you will write down the capture file name. In this case, I am saving mine to the root folder with the name test. And then we will end the command with WLAN 1 mon. Now that the capture file is running, we will find a little bit of information on our network. As you can see, under the label station, there is a MAC address, and this is a wireless device connected to the network. Other things that you will find is under the encryption or cipher type, it's going to say WEP. And under authentication, there is nothing since it's open authentication, but in some cases you will find PSK. The next step that we will be doing is a fake authentication. This is not always required for all wireless attacks, but we will do so by running the command airplay-ng-1, which is the fake authentication, 0, so that we're only going to do it once, -A, the BSS ID of our target network, WLAN 1 mon. And you'll notice under station that there is a new MAC address, and that is our current device. Now we will be doing an ARP replay attack, and we will do so by using the airplay-ng-3 command. Then we're going to follow with -B, the MAC address, WLAN 1 mon. You will know that this is successful if the data starts to increase rapidly. The next thing that we will look at, which is not always a requirement, is a deauthentication attack. This will boot any wireless user off of the network, and we will do so by using the command airplay-ng-0, which is the deauthentication attack, 1 to specify that we are only sending one deauthentication request, -A, the BSS ID of the network, -c, the client MAC address, which we can find under the station, and then we will end it with WLAN1mon. Finally, we will try and decrypt the capture file. We will do so by running the command aircrack-ng -0, and then we're going to take the capture file name with the .cap extension. As you can see, it should not take too long to find the key. In this case, it is AABBCCDDEE.